Today, I'm going to tear apart the Anker Power Bank 25K to see what's really inside and find out if it's worth your money. In this video, you'll discover the features and specifications of the Anker Power Bank 25K and why it's a must-have for anyone on the go. Many portable chargers struggle with battery capacity and charging speed, leaving users frustrated during travel or outdoor activities. This can be super annoying when you're already running low on power and need to charge your devices quickly. We've all been there, scrambling to find a power outlet or a charging spot. It's even more frustrating when your portable charger can't keep up with your needs. The Anker Power Bank 25K seems to address these issues with its impressive specs. Explore the design, battery capacity, multiple charging ports, and fast charging technology of the Anker Power Bank 25K, highlighting its advantages over competitors. The design looks sleek and compact, perfect for tossing into a backpack or purse. With a high battery capacity, you can charge your devices multiple times without needing to recharge the power bank itself. It also comes with multiple charging ports, so you can charge several devices at once. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out our next video on the best accessories for your portable charger.